If you've blocked someone on X, formerly Twitter, and you want to remove that block, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unblock an account on x.com step by step, using the easiest method possible. This is a quick tutorial for anyone who wants to manage their blocked list, fix a mistake, or reconnect with an account they no longer want to keep blocked. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your X account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, look for the navigation menu. If you don't see the option you need right away, click More, which is the 3 dots icon. This opens up additional settings and account controls. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside the settings area, click on Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps most of the account control options related to visibility, interactions, and safety preferences. Next, under the Safety section, find and select Mute and Block. This section is specifically for managing accounts you've muted, blocked, or restricted in other ways. Now click on Blocked Accounts. Here you'll see a list of every account you've blocked on X. Take a moment to find the account you want to unblock. When you locate it, you'll see a button that says Blocked. Click that button and it will change to Unblock. This is the key step that removes the block from that account. Once you click Unblock, the account will no longer be blocked and they'll be able to interact with your profile again according to your privacy settings. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone on x.com or Twitter. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.